Hi guys, today is day 3 and today we will learn 3 ways to draw decision making whenever you have to take a decision in business or in any sphere of life. Let's see 3 ways of drawing decision making. The simplest way is, of course, draw a person, and here is his face, and then draw. When you are taking a decision, there are different options for you. So this is the road which is going here, this is the road which is going straight, and this is the road which is going somewhere else. I will delete this because it is a little too thick, so we can make this road as and this guy is confused. If you want to be a little more dramatic, then you can draw his hand here, and he is scratching his head because he doesn't know what to do. So this is one way to show decision making. We will shade it later. The other way of decision making could be a guy who is standing on a seesaw and he is not able to take a right balance. So to draw a seesaw, you have to draw, I will choose a thick one. Here, and then there is a seesaw here, and now there are different loads here. So this is one load and this is one road, and you can write here something, the two decisions. And this guy, because when you stand on a seesaw you cannot actually stand, so here are his two legs here. I think the torso is a little too small, so I will make it a little bigger here, and he is trying to balance himself. So this could be one way, and another way could be a little more simple, in which this is the guy and he is having, this is option B, this is option A, and he is not sure what option to take. And now of course you can add some shading to it. I am using this time a yellow one, so this is one. So this is how you can show decision making in 3 different ways. Join me for the 4th day tomorrow. Bye bye.